ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇದು ಬಿಕಾಂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡದೇನೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿ, ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ನ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ in advance the future course of operations for a given period. In other words, it is the conscious determination of the objectives to be achieved and the course of action to be taken to achieve the results. It implies decision making as to what to do, when to do it. Second point, organizing. It means the manpower, material, resources, money. Example, man, money, material, and putting them together into working order or the achievement of the objectives laid down by the enterprise. It can also be defined as the identification of the activities required to achieve the objectives of the enterprise. Point number 3, staffing. It is considered as a separate function of the management by many management experts, but some do not consider it as separate function of management. They consider staffing either as a part of organizing, since it involves the manning of the positions created by the organizing process. Next, point number 4, directing. It is one of the important functions of management, while planning, organizing, and data staffing are merely the preparation for doing the work. Directing function actually starts the work. Directing is responsible for the effective execution of the predetermined plans. Point number 5, coordination or communication or control. It is the only what is that? Okay, synchronization of efforts the people working in an organization for the achievement of the organizational objectives. Coordination is very essential of management process. It is all pervasive and permeates every function of management process. Communication means sharing a common idea or establishing a common ground of understanding with someone. It is the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Control is the process of measuring actual results, the predetermined identification of the variances. It ensures that everything undertaken according to the plans already determined. Point number 6, reporting. A reporting system is possible for the organization to design with its well-established goals, broad policies, and the sound organization structure. Information needed for reporting is derived from various sources like financial statements, past records of the organization as data processed or evaluated for a specific purpose. Point number 7, budgeting. It refers to the procedure followed to prepare the budget. In other words, the procedure for the preparing plan in respect of the future financial and physical requirement. And then we can see the scope of management. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ A1 ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್, directing, coordinating, motivating, and controlling are main functions of management. Innovation, communication are the subsidiary functions of the management. Next, B. Functional area of management. Point number 1. Financial management. It includes cash management, planning and forecasting, and cost reductions management. Point number 2. Marketing management includes marketing plans, branding, packaging, and labeling. Product analysis, research, product innovations, transportation, and insurance. Next, point number 3. Production management includes production planning and control, materials management, scientific purchasing, inventory control, warehousing. Point number 4. Human resources management includes personal management, requirements, selection, placement, training, compensation, and trade unions. Next, C. Interdisciplinary approach. In order, management is a body of discipline that takes the help of other social sciences like psychology, sociology, economics. This indicates that in order to have a correct understanding of the management principles and practices. Next, D. Universal phenomenon. Management is a universal phenomenon or process, as it is not only present or concerned in with business undertaking, but also in political, religions, charitable. Next, functions area of the management. So production management, marketing management, financial management, personal management. And then roles of management. We can see the roles of management. So point number A, achievement of group goals. It arranges the factor of production, assembles and organizes the resources, integrates the resources in effective manner to achieve goals. It directs group efforts towards achievement P of predetermined mind goals. Options B. Optimum utilization of resources. It utilizes all the physical and human resources productively. This leads to efficiency in management. Management provides maximum utilization of scarce resources by selecting its best possible alternate use in industry from other of various uses. And then minimization of cost. It gets maximum result through minimum input by proper planning, and by using minimum input and getting maximum output, it uses physical, human, and financial resources in such a manner which results in best combination. Point number D. Point number D. Establishes sound organization. No overlapping of efforts to establish sound organization structure is one of the objectives of management, which is in tune with objectives of organizing, and for fulfillment of this, it establishes effective authority and responsibility relationship. Point number E. Establishes equilibrium. It enables the organization to survive in changing environment. It keeps in touch with the changing environment. With the change is external environment, the initial coordination of organization must be changed. Point number F. Survival and growth. Modern business operates in a rapidly changing environment. An enterprise has to adapt itself to the changing demands of the market and society. Management keeps in touch with the existing business environment and draws its predictions about the trends in future. Point number G. Generation of the employment. By setting up and expanding business enterprise, managers create jobs for the people. People earn their livelihood by working in these organizations. Managers also create such an environment that people working in enterprise can get job satisfaction and happiness. Point number 8. Interpersonal roles. The one that, like the name suggests, involve people and other ceremonial duties. Leader are responsible for staffing, training, and associated duties. So actually, first point, information roles. Monitors personally seek and receive information to be able to understand the organization. Here, the manager transmits the organization's plans, policies, and actions to outsiders. Point number J. Decisional role. Roles that revolve around making choice. Entrepreneur seeks opportunities. Basically, they search for changes, respond to it, and exploit it. Resources allocator makes or approves all significant decisions related to allocations of resources. So next class we will discuss about management versus administration. Okay, please share this video to all your friends, and then if you're not subscribe it, and then so support me. Okay, thank you very much.